Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and we are Designaholics. On this channel, we teach DIY hacks, how to achieve high-end looks on a budget, and how to get the most money when you sell your home through staging. On today's episode, this is season 1, episode 4. Season 1, episode 4. This girl. Sorry, season 1, episode 4. And today we are going to show you the master bedroom and bath. We're going to totally transform this space, so stay with us. You're not going to want to miss it. Now the first thing we did in this space is we painted the vanities and we distressed them. Well, we antiqued them with wax. So we chalk painted and then antiqued, and we have a video in the description below. Make sure you watch that because this was a total transformation, updating this space to the farmhouse feel that we are going for in here. Right now, Rondi is hanging a 96-inch gauzy curtain over the fiberglass shower. And the reason why we're doing that is it's just not that pretty. If we had a lot of pretty tile work and things like that, we wouldn't cover it up, but it's nothing really to see. So we're gonna jazz it up just a little bit, and then we're gonna bring in some decor, and we'll be done with this space and onto the master bedroom soon. So keep staying with us. Okay, so what we decided to do, since we have the darker wood here that's distressed, we found these pictures at Kirkland's. We have a set of them. I like how the dark color of the frame brings in the dark color of the light fixture. We were actually going to paint them, and then we realized that they're just fine like they are. I'm going to put a little lantern here for a little casual glam. They already had these. We thought they were fine. And what you got there?
I got an orchid.
All right. So I like how that just fills up the space. I like that orchid a lot. And here's what's really cool is that we just happen to have a coordinating picture for the two that are by the vanities. So there you go. I mean, this is simple enough. Oh no, we got one more thing.
This little corner.
There you go.
Yeah.
So we've got a little lantern here. All right, fantastic. I like how this came out. It's simple, and we're gonna move on to the bedroom now. We're now in the very bland, vanilla, boring master bedroom. Well, you know, it makes me sleepy. It's a master bedroom.
It's relaxing.
It's relaxing.
Yeah.
But new buyers don't need to be falling asleep. They need to be excited, right? So we're gonna jazz it up. Stay with us. All right, so we're getting started on curtains in this room. I love those curtains that she's got. They've got, let me show you how cute these are. They've got that little crystal looking end. They look so glamorous to me. We agonized over this bedding, did we?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we tried, how many, 6?
At least.
So the point in that is keep trying bedding. But I love this, and I love all the colors in it. Again, we've got the grays and the warmer tones. It's got a little bit of a green undertone to this, but it's got just enough glam for me to make it appropriate for a really nice master bedroom, because it's got the shiny silver in it. We did decide on something. This piece, I actually had to paint it because some of these sections were blue and green, and I just went over these little sections with chalk paint to get rid of the really colorful elements, and I think it blends in really well. The only other thing we could have done is add a little bit of silver over the gold, but it really looked good just like it was, so we left it. All right, so we'll go ahead and hang that, and let's grab the pillows. Look at you, Natalia, hanging ninja.
Is that enough out from here?
Yeah, looks good.
Okay.
Okay, so we love to fill up a bed with pillows. It just feels more inviting, a little more opulent. Let me try this one in the middle. There you go. Okay, so what else do we need?
We need a
throw.
blanket.
Oh, look at this. Tuesday morning. These are so beautiful. Okay, Natalia, help us with this. What do you think? I try to do messy and I keep struggling. I want to do messy and then I straighten it out. I like it.
There you go.
Okay, it's a combination of neat and messy. I can live with that.
Can you?
Is that tray for this?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it's kind of red. What do you think?
Well, let's add
Is it
some
okay?
books or something on it.
Can tone it down with decor.
All right, let's see. What do we have?
Try these.
Here. No.
There's a few other things in we might be able to try.
Did somebody say lamps?
Lamps!
Let there be lamps. Here,
Let there be light.
one for you.
Yes, thanks.
All right. Oh, and I have to point out that there's going to be a link to how to make this awesomeness happen. Is this one of your favorites? These
Oh, yes.
nightstands?
Yes, nightstands.
These nightstands were dark brown and they just didn't fit the look of where we were going with this room. So we actually painted them. We chalk painted them, 2 different colors, distressed them, and then in the end figured out that the hardware looked so good because it picked up the edges of, you know, the dark and the distressing. You want to see this video. All right, so we want to create a little seating area, a little nook here. So Ronnie and I have a chair in mind. We're going to try that. This is one of my favorite chairs.
It's very
Looks
comfy.
good, huh?
Yes. Yes. Gonna throw some little pillows on there.
All right.
Is this a 2-person job? You need some help with that? Yes, please.
All right. All right, this is all I have. Y'all think this can work?
Yes.
Yes.
Try this on that
His
side.
for hers.
His, hers. All right, I think we're done, huh?
Yes.
All right, good job. Woo! It's a Designaholic success. We really hope you enjoyed this bathroom transformation. I think we have one more episode that's going to be coming up. The pink and purple.
Yes.
You don't want to miss that. That is going to be so good. Super excited about how this came out and super excited about what's to come. So definitely subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. I'm Carrie Lawless and we are Designaholics.